Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing palette bingo for today. So here we go. So we got Violet Voss Essentials and awesome NYX Ultimate Utopia. Here's what the palettes look like. Really loving the fall vibes in that one. And this one, it's pretty. Okay, 1 through 10. 2, 4, 1. Okay, 1 through 16. 6, 16, 6, and 3. Okay, I'm going in with sand. And here is the color story real quick. And I was going to do the avocado toast, but oh well. I keep forgetting I was going to use that palette for the rest of the month. But oh well. Things happen. Got busy and then I decided let's just do palette bingo. So if I didn't show you, this was sand that I just used. And now I'm going in with this pink shade in this palette. Same brush. I'm just going in on top of that shade. I'm going to go in with this dark green right here. I'm thinking about doing a halo look, but we'll see. Okay, just going in with the same color, just in that inner portion of the eye. I have an appointment today, so I'm just getting ready for the day. And so yeah, my weekend was okay. I might film this a little later in the week, but today right now is Monday. But yeah, that's how my eye is looking right now. Okay, I use this concealer, this Becca one that I keep using, and I used it to prime the middle of my eyes. I'm going to use this gold color. And what works best is using my finger to put it in the middle. Like so. I got Lena today. Come on, you want to see your face? Look! She likes to look out the window, so she's right here right now with me. Hi! Okay, now I am going into cream the shade into the inner portion of the eye real quick. Yeah, Lena wanted out, so I let her out. She's a good dog. So that's what it's looking like so far. Okay. This is the gold shade that I'm going to be wearing. It's like a brown gold shade. Just going in might just put that brown gold shade in here. So I bought an iPad at this Bookman's place where you just trade your movies or games or whatever, toys, art supplies, whatever, books, to this place called, my goodness, I can't talk. To Bookman's, and I bought this iPad with some credit, and I had to return that because it didn't work right. I didn't want to update. So my weekend was hectic because that's an hour away from where I live. So the next day we had to go back and return everything that I bought for it that day. So that was my weekend. And then I cleaned all Saturday. And this is what the eye look like. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my videos channel. I do quick makeup tutorials mainly, and then BoxyCharm unboxing once a month. So that's what it looks like. Quick halo look.